Right, next story now from The Guardian about Donald Trump, an adult film star, and a pair of handcuffs. Cressida.
Trump wants to be handcuffed for court appearance in Stormy Daniels' case.
Of course he does.
Of course he does. He wants it to be dramatic. He wants to appear like a martyr. He thinks this is going to play into his hands. His advisors, not so sure about that.
No, but, I think he might be right. Look, Trump was the one he didn't tweet it out because he's not on Twitter, but he put it out on Truth Social. I'm going to be arrested on Tuesday. Apparently he just heard that on the grapevine. But of course this would help him. His whole shtick is that there's an establishment that are against me and they're going to arrest me and they're going to lock me up and that's going to stir up his base. This is exactly what I want. Of course he wants to be in handcuffs.
Oh, I think it's absolutely genius because, first of all, him being handcuffed, that mirrors the tryst between him and
Stormy Daniels.
No,
well, I don't know the details of what happened there.
But I'm assuming there were.
I think he's understood.
And the other thing is, it's good because it's the only way to ensure that he doesn't grab any women's lady bits.
Well, there is that, so it's just a precautionary matter.
Yeah, it's just because he can't stop himself.
What do you think about this, Josh? I mean, in all seriousness, this, if it is the case that he paid off Stormy Daniels back in the day, and it was now going back 5 years, that would be a misdemeanour, which, according to the statute of limitations, isn't really viable
that's not really what the issue is. The issue is he did pay her off. What the problem is that he then basically used personal checks to pay back his lawyer and then didn't pay any income, like tax, on that
Yes,
money.
but unless you can prove this is a felony, the statute of limitations is up.
Well, I think that is a felony, and that's why his lawyers are actually quite scared now.
It seems tenuous.
Well, the point is he broke the law, and if he broke the law, they're going to go after him.
Well, I don't think there's enough to prove this, though, is there?
Well, I think that they feel like there is enough. I mean, he's cashed, what was it, £130,000. He got these different checks that he sent.
But it's a bit like when they tried to have him impeached, you know?
It's a bit like Al Capone, like not paying taxes.
It just helps his case. All of this stuff
what he thinks it is.
You say that, but he might not be allowed to do it. District Attorney Alvin Bragg is saying he might not let him appear in his handcuffs because they know it's
I believe from what I've read that the legal consensus on this is that there isn't much of a case at all. And the case that they do have is classified as a misdemeanour and therefore can't be prosecuted. So I think this is unwise. I thought the impeachment was unwise. His popularity went up hugely.
I think the Christian... Yeah, you're right. The Christian fundamentalist fan base part of it will be like, yeah, he's brilliant. Look, he paid off that adult sex star that he slept with.
And, of course, we don't know for sure. He denies it, I should say, for balance. He denies that he slept with Stormy Daniels.
Yeah, that was just $190,000, just fan...
Oh, come on, we've all paid people off just to get it out of our hair.
Look, I'm here, aren't I?
There we go.